Here's your bag.
I'm good.
Let's go. Okay, so today, got where we're going now. We're going to the mud, which is on the other side of the island. So it's going to be a fun 30-minute drive. Looking forward to it?
Yeah.
Let's go. Hi there. We've got a reservation for tonight.
Miss Leon,
Yeah, that's it, yeah.
please enjoy our Thai hair.
What is it? A drink?
Yeah.
Ah.
Two.
That's really good.
If you're interested to learn how to cook, you can ask us because we do as well for the cooking school. Oh yeah.
Go on, do it like MTV Cribs.
Welcome to my tree.
Let's give you a full tour. We have our fridge, which is empty at the minute. Kettle area. There's a safe just through here. It's the bathroom. We have our sofa area. If you want to watch some TV. It is a good treehouse, isn't it?
It is a good treehouse.
It's one you'd want as a kid. Come upstairs.
But instead of aircon in the UK, you'd have heaters.
Yeah, we'd have heaters back home. Seating area for some food. And you can see through the floor. The wardrobe. Got the bed. All on the floor. Good judgment of whether it's comfy. You just stomp your foot. Still not getting the hang of how you open the doors. The seating area. You like it?
Yeah.
You look comfy already. Apparently this is the newest one. Thank God for the aircon. I think there's a gecko in here. Let's go and have a look around. Got to go and have a little lay down over there. We're obviously doing some work there, so apologies for the noise. It does sink quite far down. Go on then, you go. Whoa. It's a bit wobbly, isn't it? We made it. Look at all the chickens.
Look at all those chickens.
Oh yeah, you got to go down the slide now.
That's not a slide.
Well, that's the way. That's the only way down.
No, we can go down the steps.
No, this is the way we go.
I'm not going this way. I am coming.
Oh, look at that bug. What is that? That's some wildlife. Don't really get on. Oh, he's chasing me.
You got a hammock, so go.
We're in a tree house.
Yeah, I know, but I want to be in a hammock. I haven't been in a hammock since we've been here.
Well, go and knock and ask if you can use their one. It's not very busy, is it? What do we do now? Yeah, I'll eat. Let's go see what their food's like. We're probably going to end up getting another curry.
One green curry, vegetable and tofu.
Yes, please, yeah. Apparently they're keeping dogs there.
Buddy?
Are you allowed to go in there?
Oh, Come on.
One go to the beach.
Oh.
You can't go now, buddy. Weather looks like it's changing. We might have time for one swim. Storm is brewing. It's time to head back before we get soaked. Quite comfy, isn't it? I think we're literally the only ones staying here. Doesn't look like there's anyone else.
That one looks like this one's got a little balcony.
So it's raining over there, but it's not over there. Oh my god.
Trời. Trời măng Việt Nam trời.
It really hurts your foot.
An hour and 10 minutes. Ew, stretch.
We're going to try and catch a sunset in the rain. Let's see how that
There
goes
won't
down.
be one. There won't.
Alright, we've got a bet on. I'm saying there will be. Daisy's saying there won't be. Let's go before it goes. Yeah, I think I win the bet. You can't really see it on camera, but that's a sunset. That was a bit of an anticlimax. Show everyone. We got suckered into 2 bracelets at the beach.
By Johnny from Bangkok.
Joe, he said I actually look like Tom Cruise. And I can see where he gets it from.
I can't.
Good morning. It wasn't a best night's sleep thanks to that cockerel. How did you sleep?
Terrible.
Okay, we get it, we're up. He's in there and we were literally up there. The treehouse adventure is over. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe.